In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a CQ converter. When you choose Save to SD card or FTP for event trigger action, you will see the motion JPEG file in your SD card or FTP site. At this time, you need to use CQ converter for convert record raw data to a playable file. Double-click on the CQ converter icon on desktop. Click Open File to choose Event Recording File. Click Save File to choose Saving Folder for AVI files. Click Converter. While the status shows 100%, conversion is complete. Now you can see the recording file by media player directly.